Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Estimation. Estimate is a value based on sampled data which has been adjusted using statistical estimation procedures. Types of estimate. Point estimate. If an estimate of a population parameter is given by a single value, then the estimate is called point estimate of the parameter. Interval estimate. If an estimate of a population parameter is given by two distinct numbers between which the parameters may be considered to lie, then the estimate is called an interval estimate of the parameter. As the value of a point estimate fluctuates from sample to sample, interval estimates are preferable to point estimates. Also, the interval estimate indicates the accuracy or precision of the estimate. A statement of error is an estimate of a statement of the error of the estimate is called its reliability. Qualities of an efficient estimator. An estimator must be an unbiased estimator of the parameter. Efficiency of an estimator refers to the size of the standard error of the estimator. A statistic must be consistent, that is, as the sample size increases, the statistics must get closer to the parameter. A statistic must be consistent, that is, the sufficiency of an estimator refers to the usage of the sample information by the statistic. Sample mean is more sufficient than the sample media. Example, 970 apples are taken at random from a basket and 97 are found to be bad. Estimate the percentage of bad apples in the basket and assign the limits in percentage. Percentage of defective apple in the sample is equal to 97 by 970 is equal to 0.1. So P is equal to 0.1, Q is equal to 1 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.9. So standard error sigma is equal to root PQ by M is equal to root of 0.1 into 0.9 by 970 is equal to 0.0096 is equal to 96%. So expected limit is 1 plus minus 3 into 0.0096 is equal to 0.1 plus minus 0.022, 0.0288 is equal to 0.0712 to 0.1288 is equal to 7.12% to 12.88%. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.